Guys, when you go to other countries and you land and you check in, they ask you, when are you going to leave? I mean, in Africa. And we tell them when we're going to leave. We register, we do everything. When our time is up, we leave, we go back home in South Africa, to South Africa. But when we are doing the same in South Africa, to them, we are xenophobic. They must not leave. The war between South Africa and other African countries, especially Malawi, Zimbabwe, and Nigeria, is the bread. Everybody's fighting for the bread in the name of we are one Africa. How can we be one Africa if you guys haven't fixed your house, haven't gotten your house in order? You want to stay in your neighbor's house because your house is flooded with water. Why don't you call the plumbing services and come clean your house? No, you don't want to fix your house. You want to stay in the neighbors, or in the name of we are all Africans. We are from the same community. You can't allow people to come to your house and eat your food and utilize your things and say it's free because they didn't buy them. They don't know how much it is. You buy them. You feel the pain because you buy them. And then they come, they want to eat everything. They say, yeah, I eat for free at my neighbor's house. That's how you guys are doing to South Africa. And you think you guys think we hate you. No, we don't hate you. We don't. We just want to fix our country. It's a mess. You guys messed up our country. We must keep quiet because we will be named xenophobic. Call us xenophobic any day. We're claiming that name. We are claiming it. If we're going to your countries and they're asking us when are we leaving, but we're not saying you're xenophobic, but in South Africa is xenophobia. Lanyel.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangiseso send a message to my foreigners uthi anihambeni inkosi yami uthi ngeke nize nifike la South Africa expect ukuthi nihlale for free la South Africa, nihlale iminyaka neminyaka niphile ngendlela nifuna akuphila ngakhona nitendele because nithi we are all Africans. They really are like using the word we are all Africans uma babona ukuthi kushubile, uma babona ukuthi abafunwa, because nathi asiye emaveni eni osiyohlala khona ngengane, because vele nasemaveni ngisho sifuna ukuhlala khona there was no way singavumeleka because kunemthetho le emaveneni, and you guys are not fighting ukuthi niphile kahle emaveneni Nigeria, Malawi, Congo, Angola, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, konke la nibuya khona anilweli i-freedom yenu, anilwi njengoba nilwa la South Africa. Bona le nto lesibonile lapha eJohannesburg qha iyashaqisa, iyamangalisa. Siyamangala ukuthi hayibo kanti ama-foreigners ayakhona akumasona, ayakhona kulwa, yet their countries akunalutho lihamba kahle, baze babaleke batobalekela la South Africa because bayahluleka kokuthi balwe nema-presidents abo in their own countries. Does it make sense though? Ubamba ibhodi, ubamba emkhankaso, nimashe, ni-strike, konke nikwende la South Africa, yet in your own countries anikwendi lokho. In your own countries kuyabhetha. Anihlangani ngani nibe imbumba nihambe niyolwela emave enu, nihambe niyolwela amaveni nikhiphela ama-president eni labhethayo? Why nifune kulwa la South Africa? Why nifune kuhlala ningani? They are even singing songs, we are all Africans, we are Africans, we are South Africans. Like kanjani? Oh, the disrespect that foreigners have, it's on another level. Shame. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.